I said to Abdul, the puncture fixer. "Aren't you ashamed?" he asked. "Ashamed of what, sir?" I replied, "Of fixing punctures." He said, "Not at all, sir." I said, "Don't lie, Abdul. Just thinking about it makes me feel embarrassed, and you don't feel any shame fixing punctures. How can that be?" He replied, "Sir, it's all about the way you think, and our thinking is shaped by our principles. In your mind, puncture fixer, cleaner, labor, farmer. These are all shameful jobs. But in my eyes, if I fix a puncture and charge fairly for it, there's no shame in that. But if I charge unfairly, that makes me shameful. If I am an officer and take bribes, that would be shameful to me. If I am a minister and I'm involved in the corruption and scandal, that would be shameful. Islam has taught me this way, to do only work that is fair, lawful, and dignified. Not to lie and not to cheat. And this is Abdul's standard." I said, "Salute to you, Abdul."